From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
We're cold once again tonight, but more cloud cover across the area. That's going to mean that despite being cold, not quite as cold as we were last night and early this morning when some of us were down to the mid-single digits for morning lows. We're talking about mid to upper teens toward daybreak here for morning lows. Still cold enough, but not quite as just icy as what we were to start this morning. Clouds moving into the area overnight acts as an insulating blanket. So we're talking about starting the day in the mid to upper teens for morning lows. And then the best we can do for daytime highs tomorrow, mid to upper 20s across the area with a mix of sun and clouds. We'll call it mostly cloudy over North Alabama, partly sunny in southern Middle Tennessee. Notice the futurecast tries to skirt our far southern area with the northern edge of that snow shield from the winter storm down to the south. That's why I think there's a slight chance of a stray flurry in North Alabama tomorrow, south of the Tennessee River. Places like Russellville over toward Moulton to Decatur and Hartselle may see a few flurries tomorrow. That's if this comes as far north as what's depicted. The model could be incorrectly showing it this far north. It may stay even farther south. And for Athens and the Shoals up into southern Middle Tennessee, I'm not really expecting much of anything other than a mix of sun and clouds. But even if you see a flurry or two down here over North Alabama, south of the Tennessee River, not expecting any impact, not expecting any accumulation, just maybe a couple of flakes flying in the wind. The winter storm conditions, we are highly confident, will stay well to the south of our viewing area over South Alabama, South Georgia, South Mississippi, Southeast Louisiana, and believe it or not, even the Florida Panhandle. Clouds start clearing out late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, so we'll fall quickly out of the 20s into the teens, and overnight lows daybreak Wednesday morning will be down into the mid to upper single digits, and that's not wind chills, that's actual temperatures to begin the day on Wednesday. Mix of sun and clouds for Wednesday and Thursday. We start to creep the temperatures up a little bit as we head into the second half of the week. Friday, another Clipper system comes across. It doesn't have Gulf moisture to work with, but it will try to squeeze out every little drop of moisture in the atmosphere it has. So because of that, there could be a few light flurries on Friday. I'm not expecting any impact or accumulation. That shifts on out of the way for Saturday. And as we head into Saturday night and Sunday, rain returns to the area. And yes, it will be rain because we'll have temperatures above freezing by then, but it's downright frigid here by Tennessee Valley standards for the next couple days before then. The best we do tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 20s. We start Wednesday in the single digits, and that 9 is a midpoint average between southern Middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama. There could certainly be a few places in southern Middle Tennessee that start Wednesday morning as cold as 4 or 5 degrees with wind chill values near zero or just below again, so be aware of that. But we do start to moderate things heading late in the week and the weekend, and by Monday it looks like we'll have area-wide daytime highs back into the lower 50s. So clouds around tonight. We're going to be cold, but not quite as cold as last night because of that mid to upper teens to start our Tuesday. Again, maybe 1 or 2 stray flurries south of the Tennessee River in North Alabama for Tuesday. No impacts, no accumulation if that even happens. Mix of sun and clouds for Wednesday, Thursday. A few flurries possible area-wide on Friday, and then rain showers moving into the area Saturday night, Sunday, maybe lasting into early next week. That's look your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna will be checking in at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning with your wake-up weather forecast.